Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every second day with word games. Today's game is called Nouns. It's an easy game for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Activity. What's your favorite activity? For example, learning something or tennis or swimming. Those are all activities. In this one, we have 2 pizzas. And we want to know, are they the same? Slowly. Difference. But when we speak quickly, it's only 2 syllables. Difference. What's the difference between? Jennifer cares very much about her. This means she always exercises and she eats well. She doesn't eat junk food. Health. Jennifer cares very much about her health. In this one, we are playing chess. Chess is a game. So I say, I already moved a piece. Now it's It's the time for you to move a piece. It's your turn. Now it's your turn. Turn is a noun here. They produce electricity. When they burn, this is a substance that comes from the ground. It's like a rock, but it's like a soft rock, and it's always black. Coal. They burn coal to make electricity. We had fun. We went to a music. This is like a concert, but it's usually longer, maybe 2 days. It's usually outside with many different groups. Festival. We went to a music festival. They're usually in the summertime. In this one, the letters are mixed up, so you have to unscramble them. This is like a story or a topic that goes around the internet. It's called a meme. And we especially use this for the internet, something traveling around, the latest topic or story. Bob is an adventurer. He wants to go to outer space on a... What do you need if you want to travel to outer space? Rocket. A rocket. Bob wants to go to outer space on a rocket. The party had an of food. This means there was no food. The food was not there. Absence. Similar to the adjective absent. The party had an absence of food. We were able to do it because of her. This means her knowledge, what she knows from history, and her ability. Expertise. We were able to do it because of her expertise. Bye-bye.